Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to change language in Sonic Racing CrossWorlds game. So what you need to do is first open Steam, then under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now here under general you can see the language option, it's selected as English. From here you can select any language that you want. After selecting the language, close this and restart your PC once. After restarting, now you can check that now you can see that the language has been changed to that particular language. Again, if you want to change the language back to English, so you can again come back, select your game under library section, and from here you need to change to the language to English once again, and then restart your system, and then you can check that the language has been changed to English again. So by this way you can easily change the language on Sonic Racing CrossWorlds game on your PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.